Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Misbahul Fauziah from class C. And on this occasion, I will explain one of the chapters in the analysis and design report of information system on the Module 6, namely the normalization chapter. Normalization is used to see if the database is ambiguous or can cause error in placing data on the system. The first thing to do in normalization is to anormalize the data. A normalization is a collection of data that is recapitulated without regard to a particular format, in which there are repeating groups that can cause problems when manipulating data like insert, update, and delete, or commonly called anomaly. In like this table, in a row have a repeating group, and it can be causes error like when we insert, update, or delete that data. So to eliminate the dependency in the anormalized table, we must do 1NF, where 1NF has a rule that each attribute of the relation has only a single value and one row, and there is no repetition or multiply attributes. Therefore, the anormalization table is changed to 1NF by removing the repeating group and making each row contain only one single data. Like this table in a row just have only one single data and not have a repeating group. Where there are the dependency in the table, then the next step is 2NF, which has a rule the partial functional dependency are not low, and every non-K attribute is functionally dependent on the primary K. And therefore, the 1NF table is split into several tables based on its primary K, as shown in the slide. Like this table for ID applicant, table for type of answer, table of type of job, and table of type of selection. And the 3NF stage is done when in 2NF there is still a dependency. So at this stage, there is no transitive dependency on the primary K, which means the non-K attributes must dependency entirely on the primary K. Otherwise, the 2NF table must be split so that each attribute is fully dependency on its primary K. Like the applicant table in 2NF, it can be seen that email and password that data does not completely depend on the applicant ID, but the username. So the applicant table in 2NF needs to be split into an applicant table and a username table to avoid dependency on the data. That's my explanation about this chapter. I hope it can be useful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.